So, hello students, welcome to our maths class. Be ready. So, we are in the second chapter, last few problems left. Of course, we are going very slow. Only few problems we are solving per day. No issue, no tension. Because, see, the hundreds of students are attending these classes. So, of course, they may have some streaming problem. Not many issues will be there because first time you are attending this type of classes. So therefore, no hurry. Let us go slow only. And open the textbooks 54 page number. Students, 57 page number. All of you open the textbooks. 57 page number.
See, the head is gone. This one is gone. I did.
57 page number. 11th problem we did. 11th is over. 12th. 12th question. Verify
Okay. But it's finished now.
Write down this problem. Write the question from the textbook.
Okay. Yep.
Students, write down the question from the textbooks. Textbook. Verify that. Very simple. So whichever is in the bigger form, you take this and simplify and get this answer. That's all. Take the RHS, simplify it, and we will get this answer. We have to prove that both are equal. So take this right hand side, simplify it, and prove that it is like this. So take the RHS. Half. I am taking the RHS, very simple problem. Direct, no concept, nothing, just the simplification. Taking the RHS, simplify it. First let us simplify this value inside the bracket, then we multiply with x plus y plus z. See here. A minus b whole square. See here. A minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square over a minus b whole square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. A minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. A minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. That's all. Just expansion. A minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square, a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square, a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. I will write one more step, same, x plus y plus z, x square, 2x square. X square plus x square is 2x square. y square, another y square, 2y square. Z square is 2z square. X square plus x square is 2x square, y square plus y square is 2y square, z square plus z square is 2z square, minus 2xy, minus 2yz, minus 2zx. X square plus x square, 2x square, 2y square, 2z square, minus 2xy, minus 2yz, minus 2zx. Take 2 common and take 2 common because 2 same, no, so take 2 common. I am taking 2 common. So 2 is common here. Completely 2 is taken common and cancel with this 2. Next, if you multiply this, that is actually you can multiply or no need of multiplication. This is the identity I told. X plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx is this is the identity. If you multiply these two, you will get this. Or else you once multiply or just simply write as per the identity we get like this. As per the identity we get this. Or multiply this into this into this. 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 3 is 18 terms we will get. All will get cancelled. This will be the answer. Both ways. If you want to multiply, you multiply. Otherwise, simply write as per the identity. I gave the formula. If you multiply these two, we will get this, and even we applied this identity in the 11th problem also. 11th problem also we applied. If you multiply directly x cube, xy square, xz square, minus x square y, minus xyz, minus x square z, again with y, xy square, x square y, x square y cube, yz square, minus xy square, plus minus y square z, minus xyz, plus now with z, x square z, y square z, z cube, xyz, yz square, z into z square x minus xz square. So xy square, xy square, xy square, xy square plus minus xz square, xz square, xz square minus xz square plus minus x square y plus x square y, this is plus minus minus x square z plus x square z cancel, y square z plus y square z minus cancel, yz square plus yz square minus cancel. So here x cube remains, y cube remains, z cube remains, minus xyz, minus xyz, minus xyz. If it is plus and 1 is minus, we cancel. But all minus means we have to add xyz, 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 3xyz, which is our LHS. So proved. Verify. This is proved, we got this. I took the right side. A minus b whole square formula in all the three cases. Simplifying x square, 2x square y square, 2y square, 2 common and cancel with 2. This product we know directly, this answer we know without doing this step also you can write using the identity you write. Otherwise, just multiply, but be careful. If x is taken, it should be multiplied with all the 6 terms. Y should be multiplied with all the 6 terms. Z should be multiplied with all 6 terms. 18 terms we get, everything get cancelled. Remaining are x cube, y cube, z cube minus 3x, y, z. Over. Muttangi branch, Nalgonda branch, Nizampet. Students, did you follow, understood this simplification? Is it okay? Followed or not? Jadcherla, Sangareddy, Gangaram. Following or not? If you tell me whether I should go little slow or is it okay, then the board, can you see the board, because big problem, no? So the steps, the letters may be simple, small, is it visible or not, that also you tell. Otherwise I will write very big, so that half problem one time and again after rubbing half problem another time. That also we can do, no problem, because you should see and you should write the steps. Following, okay, good. A minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. But a means x, b means y. A square minus 2ab plus b square. Same, a square minus 2ab plus b square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. X square plus x square, 2x square. Y square plus y square, 2y square. Z square plus z square, 2z square. 2xy same, 2yz same, 2zx same. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2 common. That 2 and this already problem, there is a 2 in the question itself, there is a 2. So this 2 and that 2 get cancelled. X plus y plus z into this. If you multiply this directly, we will get this. Directly also you can write, because this is the formula, that is the identity. Directly this is the formula. Even in the 11th problem also we use this formula. Wherever you get this, need not multiply, directly write this answer, because it is not wrong. It is a formula, identity. Okay, but only for just to write one more step, I multiplied all steps I have written, so that you should know how the formula is formed. Next, thirteenth problem. This is important. If x plus y plus z is equal to 0, show that x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. Write this problem. If x plus y plus z is equal to 0, show that x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. Over? See, given x plus y plus z is equal to 0, this is given. The question is cubes. The question consists cubes. So from this, how to get these? So that means we have to cube. We have to cube. So We know a plus b whole cube formula, but we don't have a. We don't know a plus b plus c whole cube. So as it is, if you keep and a cube, so that will be complicated. So what I am doing is observe this step. First step very carefully. Take z to the right side. Take z to the right side. 0 minus z is minus z only, because 0 with any operation with 0 plus or minus, it remains same. So first this is given. I took it. It is given in the problem. Given that x plus y plus z is equal to 0. Given. I took z to the right side. It becomes a minus z. Now don't write. I am cubing on both sides. Cubing on both sides. I am cubing left side x plus y whole cube. Right side also I am cubing. Cubing on both sides. When it is an equation, when it is an equal symbol, same operation we can do on both sides. We can add something on both sides. We can multiply. We can subtract something on both sides. Same number. So we can multiply both sides with some number. Divide both sides with some number. And squaring both sides. Cubing both sides. Raising any power to on both sides. So anything, because it is equal. Whatever you do on the left side, same if you do on the right side. Then there is no change in the value. So I am cubing on both sides. Left side whole cube, right side whole cube. Cubing. Now see, a plus b whole cube formula. What is a plus b whole cube formula? A cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. This formula I gave. Same can be written as, if I write a cube here and b cube here, and in these two if I take 3ab common, another a plus b. Both ways I gave the formula. We can use like this or like this. Both are same. Same a plus b whole cube formula like this or like this. So I am using the second one. Use that formula. Don't write a plus b whole cube. See the formula. A cube plus b cube plus 3ab. 3a is x, b is y. See here. A plus b whole cube. A cube plus b cube plus 3ab into what? A plus b. A plus b means x plus y. Minus 3 times is minus z cube. Minus cube is minus. Minus 3 times minus into minus plus, plus into minus. Minus z cube is x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into y plus z. In place of y plus z, write down minus. In place of x plus y, write down minus z. X plus y is equal to minus z. I am writing. In place of x plus y, what I am writing? Minus z. Why? It is given. X plus y is equal to minus z. It is given in the problem. That given expression, I took it right side and I got x plus y is equal to minus z. In place of x plus y, I am writing minus z. Right side, same. Only one change I did. In place of x plus y, I am writing minus z. X cube plus y cube plus into minus 3xy into z. 3xyz is equal to minus z cube. So x cube plus y cube minus term this side plus z cube. Minus z cube this side plus z cube. Minus taken to the left side plus. Minus taken to the right side plus. So 3x minus 3xy I am taking right to the right side. Minus z cube I took it to the left side plus z cube. This minus to the right side plus 3xyz. So see here. What is the proof? X cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. X cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. Proof. Exactly, we got the proof. So very simple. First step is take this to the right side. Any term you take it to the right side. X also you can take, y also you can take, z also you can take. I took z to the right side. Plus z will become minus z. Next step also you have to remember that cubing on both sides. How we will get the idea of cubing? Because if you see the problem, there are cubes. So cube means we have to cube. So x plus y whole cube minus z whole cube. Minus z whole cube is minus into minus into minus minus z cube only. A plus b whole cube, a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. X plus y is equal to minus z. Plus into minus minus 3xyz. Taken to the right side, plus minus z cube this side, plus z cube. Exactly true. Followed or not? You just tell me. Understood or not? Following or not? Very good. So students are you're all following the procedure. Very good. See here, simplify this without actual calculating the cubes. 10 cube we know, 10 cube is 10 into 10 into 10,000. 7 cube is 7 into 7, 49. 49 into 7 is 343. 3 cube is 3 into 3, 9. 9 into 3, 27. So 1000 plus 343 plus 27, that is the answer. But without simplifying. But it is minus, so it should be subtracted. So without doing the cubes, we have to solve this problem. So how I am solving? First step, I will remove this minus inside. Minus whole cube is minus 3 times is minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus. Minus I am writing outside. First step, only minus I wrote outside, that's all. Only minus I wrote outside. Now, take any one, write in terms of other two. See, 3 if you want to change. 3 can be written as 10 minus 7. What is 10 minus 7? 3. 10 minus 7 is 3. 10 minus 7 is 3. Or 7 can be written as 10 minus 3 is 7. Anyone you change. Anyone. Or 10 can be written as 7 plus 3. 7 plus 3. But if you write this, be careful about the minus. Any one you write in terms of other. 7, 3 can be written as 10 minus 7. 10 minus 7 is 3. 7 can be written as 10 minus 3. Or 10 can be written as 7 plus 3. So I am changing this one. But be careful about this minus sign. 10 can be written as 7 plus 3. Don't write. What is 7 plus 3? 10. 7 plus 3 is 10. 7 plus 3 is 10. We can write it as 8 plus 2 also. But why I am writing only 7 plus 3? Because like this, these numbers we have to get here. These numbers we have to express this in terms of the remaining two. Same you write. Only one you have to change. Don't change all. Only one. 10 is written as 7 plus 3. To avoid the minus confusion, I wrote it outside. 10 can be written as 7 plus 3. Now, a plus b whole cube formula. We can write in two ways. This I will write. A cube, say don't write. A cube is 7 cube. B cube. A cube plus B cube. A cube plus B cube plus 3AB. 3A is 7 into B is 3 into A plus B. Or A cube plus 3A square B plus B cube, like that also we can use. A plus B whole cube, two ways I gave the formula. A cube plus B cube plus 3AB into A plus B. This is same. This is same. 10 is 7 plus 3. A plus B whole cube. A cube plus B cube plus 3AB into A plus B. This is same. This is same. Be careful about this minus outside. That's why I am keeping big brackets and small brackets inside. This minus is 7. Apply this minus. Minus 7 cube. Apply this minus now. Minus is for all. That's why if you have any confusion with the minus, keep it as it is. Write 7 because this is a plus, there will be no confusion. 7 can be written as 10 minus 3. Like that also you can use. Minus 7 cube. Minus 3 cube, minus into plus, minus 3 sevens are 21, 3s are 63 into 3 plus 7, 10. This total is 1 only. So again, don't multiply minus for all. So minus into plus is minus. Or you can write one more step so that to avoid the confusion. See here. I will write one more step. Seven 3 is a 20, 3 3 is a 9, 7 the 63 into 10 plus 3 7 the 21 into 3 63, 7 plus 3 is 10. This is same. Now open the brackets. Minus 7 cube minus 3 cube, minus into plus, minus 63 into 10 is 630. 630. Plus 7 cube, same. Plus 3 cube. So this minus is only for these terms because minus is only for this 10. 10 expanded like this. So for all the terms, this minus will be applicable. Minus 7 cube, minus 3 cube, minus 630. Minus 7 cube plus 7 cube cancel, minus 3 cube plus 3 cube cancel. Answer is minus 630. If you simplify, you will get 630 only. 10 cube is minus 1000 plus 343 plus 27. So if you do the simplification, same answer we will get. So but without finding the cubes, we applied this formula. We did it. So question also same. So without actual calculating the cubes, find the cube of the following by using the identities. So plus first to avoid the confusion, I wrote minus outside. 10 is written as 7 plus 3. Remaining same. No change. Same. So 10 is 7 plus 3. A plus B whole cube formula. A cube plus B cube plus 3 A, B into A plus B. 3 plus 7 is 10. 3 7 is 21. 3 is 63. 63 into 10, 630. But minus is there. So minus 7 cube. Minus into plus minus 3 cube. Minus into this minus 630. These two are same. Plus 3 cube, minus 3 cube, plus 7 cube, minus 7 cube, 630 answer. Followed or not? 13th B bit. Actually, that is not in this textbook. I will check it. It is not there in this textbook. Only 13th one problem only. Maybe addition. There is no 13th B bit here. Okay, I will check it. Thirteenth, I have only one question in this textbook. If there is a B bit, we will solve it. No problem. Same model. Any one you change. Write this as 15 and 13. Write this as 28 and 13. Or write this in 25, 28 and 15. Any one you write. Let us write the first one. 28 can be written as 15 plus 13. What is 15 plus 13? 28. Why I am writing as 15 plus 13? Because these numbers 15 and 13. 15 and 13. 28 can be written as 15 plus 13. Whole cube is same. So minus whole cube is minus. So minus 15 cube same. No change in this. Minus 13 cube is same. These two I am not changing. Same I am writing. Only I changed the 28 as 15 plus 13. 28 is written as 15 plus 13. This is same. This is same. A plus B whole cube. Apply this formula here. Same formula you apply here. Apply the formula. A cube plus B cube and no big bracket because there is no confusion with the minus. No, previous problem there was minus here, there was some confusion. So plus means no, directly you can write, no other new brackets. So A cube plus B cube plus 3AB into A plus B minus 15 cube minus 13 cube minus 13 cube plus 13 cube minus 15 plus 15 cube minus 15 cube cancel. Plus 15 cube minus 15 cube plus 13 cube minus 13 cube cancel. Same I applied A plus B whole cube formula for this. Remaining two I wrote same. Only one you have to change. All three don't change. Only one I changed this. Remaining two same. Or you change this, keep these two same. Or you change this, keep these two same. What is the answer? 3 5s of 3 15s of 45 into 13. How much? 45 into 13. Multiply these two and tell the answer. Multiply the two and that will be your answer. $16,380 answer over. Write the third bit. compulsory there is a relation. In these three, this is the bigger number. This can be written as in the 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. We can write it. See here. What is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3? Can you add? What is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3? Tell me. How to add the two fractions taking the LCM. 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. 2 how many times? 3 times. 2 3s are 6. No? 2 3 times. 3 into 1 3. 3 2 times 2 into 1 2. So total 3 plus 2 5 by 6. That means 5 by 6 can be written as 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 in this two. 5 by 6 can be written as 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. That is nothing but 5 is written as 3 plus 2. If you separate it into two fractions, that is. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 is definitely 5 by 6. First one same. Anyone you change. Let us take the third one. Anyone you can change. I am writing 5 by 6 as 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 is 5 by 6 only. 5 by 6 I wrote like this. 5 by 6 is written like this. Now a plus b whole cube formula. First one same. Second one same. But minus is there. So big bracket you start because there will be confusion with the minus. Big bracket you start. A plus b whole cube. Same formula I am applying. A cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. A plus b whole cube. A cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Same, minus, all signs will change because minus is there, no? Minus 1 by 3 whole cube, minus 1 by 2 whole cube, minus into plus minus 3 into 1 into 1, 1, 3 into 3a, b, no? See here. 3ab. So 3 cancel 1 by 2. 3 cancel only 1 by 2. 3 cancel. 3ab. 3 cancel 1 by 2. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2 is nothing but 5 by 6 only. 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2. LCM is 6. 3 2 times 2 into 1 2. 2 3 times 3 into 1 3. Total is 5 by 6. Directly I am writing 5 by 6. Don't get confused. Why how we got 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2 as 5 by 6. Same, that only written like this. The same is nothing but 5 by 6. Or again I have explained. 1 by 2 whole cube plus 1 by 2 whole cube minus. 1 by 3 whole cube plus 1 by 3 whole cube minus. 1 into 5, 5. 2 into 6, 12. That's all. 0.3 means 0.2 plus 0.1, that is 0.2 plus 0.1 is 0.3. Change the middle one and expand it a plus b whole cube, but be careful with the minus sign. Minus should be kept outside. Big bracket, small bracket inside. Minus is applied for all. That you have to be careful. So you try to do this, and so that that 14th will be over. 3 problems left. Tomorrow we will complete the class. And tomorrow, if you have any doubts, you can ask me tomorrow. Any doubts in this chapter, because it is a big chapter. So let us conclude the today's class.